Hello everybody, so tonight I'm going to be doing a holiday look using my Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar. I have already primed my lids with Urban Decay Primer Potion, and let's get this started. To start out with, I'm going in with Coconut Cream, which is this big one right here, on just a little packer brush. I'm going to put that right under my brow bone. My eyebrow, sorry. And now I'm going to go in with not that brush. So now I'm going to use this brush. It's not as stiff as the other one. And I'm going in with Pink Sugar, which is right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. And now I'm going in with a Precision Fluffy Crease Brush. And I'm going to go in with Puddin', reminds me of Harley Quinn, which is this one right here. I'm going to put that in my crease. I love the way this palette smells. I'm probably not the only one. And just a little right there. Just to darken that corner up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with an angled brush and I'm going to take Puddin' again on that one. Put it under my lower lashes. about halfway. And I'm kind of wing that out a little bit too. So like that. And do the same on the other eye. And then I'm going to go in with coconut cream again. And kind of soften that up a little bit. Okay, so I did my eyebrows, which was the Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette Deep Brown. And I did my foundation, which is the Lumi Cushion C2 Natural Ivory, which is not my shade, but it's what I have. It's what I could find. Did my contour color out of the E.L.F. Illuminating palette. So now I'm on to highlighter, which I'm using this Flower SR1 Face and Body Illuminator. And I'm using a little blending beauty blender. Why couldn't I remember that? Putting a little on the tip, and then I'm just going to put some right there. And do the same on this side. And pat that in. I've not done my blush yet. You could use your fingers as well. There that sheen. Shine, yes. Oh, I already put some there, so I guess I'll just put this on my forehead. A bunch of dots. Down the center of my nose. On my Cupid's bow. And really pat that in and try to blend that out. This is a dry beauty blender too, by the way. Might work better if it is damp, but I didn't think about that. And I have not tried that with this flower stuff either, so. Okay. So that leaves blush. I'm just going to take this fluffy, is this a blush? It's a powder brush according to this. It looks exactly like the other one that I have. Anyways, I'm going to use the chocolate bar palette again, and I'm going to dip into Nougat, which is right next to Coconut Cream right here. And a little bit of pink sugar. And pull it back. I don't like really blinding. I'm putting it on my nose too. I don't like a really bright, vibrant blush personally. So now that leaves lips, and I am using, where does it say it? It's there it is, Lalafox. And this is Alexander. It's a really nice wine color. Almost a Merlot in my opinion. If you do wear a red lipstick, I highly recommend a lip liner. I don't have one in that color. I have Fire Engine Red, but I don't have one in that specific color. So, this is the completed look. It's a very neutral holiday look in my opinion. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just look at that. I forgot to contour my nose. I'm just going to use this brush real quick because it still has some of that eyeshadow on it. There we go. Excuse me. Now, if you had false lashes that you wanted to put on, you can. I just did not feel like messing with mine. But, let's see. I don't think it'll stick right now. Yeah, it's not going to stick. I didn't put any glue on it. It's not surprising. But if you had false lashes, you could definitely use that on this look as well. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you do this look, tag me on Instagram, C Sprite Makeup. You can also post it on my Facebook, C Sprite Makeup. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye. Now I'm going to take a clean packer brush and go in with, frosting, which is this one right here. And I'm going to make a little V shape on the outer corner of my eye. So